what? I'm going to put this one on for the... I'm going to leave him up there for this song because we're going to do a little Buffett song. I'm going to put this on the Land Shark CD. Ready to do this one?
Is he okay up there?
Oh, he's fine. He's got to sing this one with me because we're going to put this one on the...
He was actually dancing to that?
Yeah, he was singing a little bit. You ready to sing this?
Was he really?
All right, you going to sing? Sing. Sing.
Hey, Christopher.
Christopher, sing. All right. This song is Volcano. Remember during rehearsal. Remember, I'm going to cue you in just like we did all week. All right? Here we go. You remember it.
Said to me, man, you better watch your feet. Lava come down soft and hot. Love me now or love me not. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. Soon come. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. But I don't want to land in New York City. Don't want to land in Mexico. Don't want to land in no 3 Mile Island. Don't want to see my skin aglow. Don't want to land in no or Nashville, Tennessee. Don't want to land in no San Juan and part of the Yukon Territory. Don't want to land in no San Diego. Don't want to land in no Buzzards Bay. Having fun. Don't want to land in no Ayatollah. I got nothing more to say. I don't know.
Take a short little break for a minute. He was dancing up a storm up there. Say hi to the camera over there, will you?
That must have been fun. Oh my God, Bert, he put his feathers up like this.
Bob, you ready?
Say hello.
Okay.
Oh my God, that was perfect.
Hi, here you go. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
I know.
Say hi. Say hi.
Say hello. Say hi.
Say hello. Yeah, you just said it.
Did he?
Yeah. There you go. Say hi.